Deciphering ISF penalty abatement. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss important topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the ins and outs of the ISF penalty abatement process. Importer security filing, ISF. Penalties can pose significant challenges for importers. But fortunately, there is a process in place for penalty relief. Let's dive in and understand how importers can navigate this process effectively. What is ISF penalty abatement? ISF penalty abatement is the process by which importers can request relief from penalties imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for non-compliance with ISF regulations. It provides importers with an opportunity to present their case and demonstrate valid reasons for the penalty to be reduced or waived. Valid reasons for abatement. Importers can seek penalty abatement for various reasons, such as errors in filing, exceptional circumstances beyond their control, or issues caused by the carrier or supplier. It is essential to provide substantial evidence and documentation to support these claims. Early engagement with CBP. To effectively navigate the ISF penalty abatement process, it is crucial for importers to engage with CBP early on. This involves open communication and transparency with CBP officials, providing them with all the necessary information and cooperating in resolving any compliance issues. Submitting a petition. The first step in the penalty abatement process is to submit a petition to CBP, formally requesting relief from the imposed penalty. The petition should include a detailed explanation of the circumstances leading to the non-compliance, evidence supporting your claim, and a proposed resolution. The role of a licensed customs broker. Working with a licensed customs broker can be invaluable during the penalty abatement process. They can assist in preparing the petition, ensuring all required documentation is included, and providing expert advice on presenting a strong case for penalty relief. Documentation and evidence. Strong documentation is vital for a successful penalty abatement petition. Importers should gather and submit all relevant evidence, such as communication records, contracts, bills of lading, and any other documentation that supports their claim of non-compliance due to unforeseen circumstances. Mitigating factors. Highlighting any mitigating factors can strengthen the case for penalty abatement. These may include the importer's good compliance history, cooperation with CBP, the severity of the violation, steps taken to rectify the non-compliance, and efforts made to prevent future occurrences. Professionalism and clarity in the petition. It is important to write the penalty abatement petition in a professional and clear manner. Clearly outline the facts, explain the circumstances leading to non-compliance, and describe the steps taken to address the issue. Being concise and organized will enhance the petitioner's credibility. Timeliness. Importers should ensure that their penalty abatement petition is submitted within the specified timeframe. Failure to meet the deadline may result in a denial of the request. It is important to stay proactive and timely in all communications with CBP throughout the penalty abatement process. Evaluation by CBP. Once the petition is submitted, CBP will evaluate it based on the provided documentation, evidence, and supporting arguments. They will consider the validity of the claim, the importer's compliance history, and other relevant factors in making a decision about penalty relief. CBP decision. CBP will notify the importer of their decision regarding the penalty abatement petition. The decision may include a complete waiver of the penalty, a reduction in the amount, or a denial of the request. Regardless of the outcome, it is important to respect CBP's decision and take necessary actions accordingly. Review and appeal options. If the penalty abatement request is denied, importers have the option to request a review or appeal the decision. It is advisable to consult with a licensed customs broker or an attorney experienced in customs matters to determine the best course of action. Regardless of the outcome, the penalty abatement process provides an opportunity for importers to learn from their non-compliance and improve their future compliance efforts. It is important to assess the root causes of the non-compliance and implement robust procedures to prevent recurrence. Compliance monitoring and training. To avoid future non-compliance and penalties, importers should implement comprehensive compliance monitoring and training programs. These programs should cover key aspects of ISF filing, highlight potential risks, and ensure all employees involved in the importation process are well informed. Working with knowledgeable customs brokers. Partnering with a licensed customs broker who possesses the necessary knowledge and expertise in ISF regulations is crucial for ensuring compliance and minimizing the risk of penalties. A knowledgeable customs broker can provide guidance, support, and help importers stay up to date with the ever-changing customs requirements. Continuous improvement. The penalty abatement process should be viewed as an opportunity for continuous improvement. Importers should assess their internal processes, identify areas of weakness or non-compliance, and implement corrective measures to enhance their overall customs compliance framework. Industry best practices. Staying informed about industry best practices is essential for importers navigating the ISF penalty abatement process. Engaging in industry associations, attending seminars, and networking with peers can provide valuable insights into successful approaches for penalty relief and customs compliance. Utilizing compliance tools. Implementing automated compliance tools and software can streamline the ISF filing process and minimize the risk of errors and non-compliance. These tools can help importers track ISF filing requirements, generate accurate documentation, and achieve a higher level of customs compliance. Building a strong compliance culture. Building a strong compliance culture within the organization is key to maintaining ISF compliance and avoiding penalties. This involves clear communication, training, and setting expectations for employees involved in the importation process. Thank you for joining us in today's video on understanding the ISF penalty abatement process. We hope this deep dive into penalty relief and importer security filing has provided you with valuable insights.